Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have the u equals to negative dx over the square root of 1 minus s squared. So because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change by u. Dx over this one we change by negative du. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3 because we have the formula in here. So I will put number 2 on here. So we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3. And u we change by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.